Deathwing the Destroyer, formerly known as Neltharion the Earth Warder, was one of the 5 dragon aspects and leader of the Black Dragonflight. Thousands of years ago, Neltharion was empowered by the Titans with dominion over the earth and the deep places of Azeroth. However, driven mad by the old gods, he turned against the other aspects during the War of the Ancients. Among both mortals and dragons, his name became one whispered with a feeling of fear and contempt. The Black Aspect involved himself in the Second War, adopting the form of Lord Daval Prestar in order to destroy the aliens from within. He also managed to turn his greatest enemy, Alexstrasza, into a slave of the Horde, with which he later allied himself. After a series of setbacks, culminating in his defeat at the hands of the other aspects, Deathwing retreated to the elemental plane of the Fall to recuperate. From there, he observed his former mate, Synaxarius, experiments with the Twilight Dragonflight in grim battle. He now continues his late concert's work. Tough believed that by many, Deathwing made his return in World of Warcraft. Cataclysm, the third expansion to World of Warcraft, and his Wrath constitute a pre-release event known as the Shattering, which changed the world of Azeroth permanently. The world continues to reel from the effects of Deathwing's return, as he flies over the Azeroth to randomly cast his flame. He is the final raid encounter of Cataclysm, appearing as the last 2 encounters of the Dragon Soul raids. After making his final stand against the heroes and fellow dragon aspects who stood in his way, the final blow to the Destroyer was delivered by Thrall, with the power of Dragon Soul. As Deathwing's destroyed body submerges into the Maelstrom, his reign of destruction was finally brought to an end. After his death, the world released in relief as they survived the cataclysm brought on by Deathwing, and the great purpose of the aspects was finally fulfilled, their ancient power being expanded as they looked to the mortals to fortress the new age.